Welcome back. If you've ever thought about starting a backyard garden but felt overwhelmed, this video is for you. Today, I'm breaking down 10 of the easiest vegetables you can grow at home. Whether you're brand new to gardening or just want to expand your harvest, these veggies are simple, low maintenance and incredibly rewarding. And don't forget, if you want more resources and step-by-step guides, check out my website www.mydagrifarm.com. Your go-to spot for natural, sustainable and homegrown living. 1. Lettuce. First up, lettuce. It grows quickly, takes up very little space, and can be harvested leaf by leaf, so you always have fresh greens on hand. Planted in beds, pots or even window boxes, it thrives almost anywhere with partial sun and regular watering. 2. Spinach. Spinach is another fantastic choice. It's fast-growing, nutrient-rich, and keeps producing if you harvest the outer leaves first. Best of all, it tolerates cooler weather, which makes it perfect for spring and fall gardens. 3. Radishes. If you're looking for instant gratification, radishes are your best friend. They're ready to harvest in as little as 3 to 4 weeks. They don't need much care and can be squeezed between other crops to maximize your garden space. 4. Carrots. Carrots are simple as long as your soil is loose and well drained. They don't require much attention, just plant, water, and wait. Pulling up fresh carrots straight from your garden is a joy, especially for kids. 5. Tomatoes. No backyard garden feels complete without tomatoes. Cherry tomatoes are especially beginner-friendly, producing clusters of fruit with very little fuss. Give them sunlight, water and some support like stakes or cages, and they'll reward you with baskets of sweet harvests. 6. Zucchini. Zucchini is one of the most productive plants you can grow. A single plant can keep you stocked with fresh squash for weeks. Just be sure to give it enough space to spread out, and you'll be amazed by the yield. 7. Cucumbers. Cucumbers are easy and grow quickly, especially if you give them a trellis to climb. That way they stay off the ground, save space and produce crisp fruits, perfect for salads or pickling. 8. Green beans. Green beans are nearly foolproof. You can grow bush beans that don't need support or pole beans that climb. Both produce heavily with minimal care, and kids love picking them right off the plant. 9. Peppers. Peppers, whether sweet or hot, thrive in warm weather and require very little maintenance once established. They add vibrant color to your garden and delicious flavor to your meals. 10. Herbs. Bonus pick. Okay, this one's technically a group, but herbs like basil, parsley, and mint are some of the easiest plants to grow in pots or garden beds. They don't take much space, and nothing beats cooking with fresh herbs you grew yourself. If you'd like more easy gardening tips, visit www.mydagrifarm.com. It's packed with practical guides to help you grow naturally and sustainably, even in small spaces. The best part about all these vegetables is that they're beginner-friendly, affordable, and don't require a huge backyard. You can start small, gain confidence, and expand your mini farm over time. Remember, gardening isn't just about food. It's about reconnecting with nature, reducing stress, and creating a healthier lifestyle for yourself and your family. Thanks for watching today's video. I hope this gave you the inspiration to start planting and harvesting your own fresh food at home. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more backyard farming tips, and share it with friends who are ready to start gardening. And remember, happy planting, happy harvesting and happy living.